Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. And in today's video, I want to talk about these amazing products which I've recently got my hands on. So you guys know my journey with pigmentation, and anytime I find a product which works on giving me beautiful, even skin tone, I make sure that I share it with you all. So I finally got my hands on some amazing products. So I thought, why not make a video and share my honest opinion with you all. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So the first product that I want to talk about here is gonna be this Dot & Key 10% vitamin C super bright face serum. Now this is gonna be amalgamation of all the great vitamins, and it also has niacinamide, guys. So for people out there who has a bit of pigmentation, we Indians have pigmentation on the face. Most of the skin types that I have seen has a bit of dark spots of pigmentation, and that part, guys, vitamin C is going to be great for people because it helps in treating the dullness, it helps in giving you even skin tone, and also helps in removing dark spots and the pigmentation that you have on the face. Why this brand, guys? Because the consistency of the serum is amazing. It's very lightweight, very hydrating on the skin, and it gets quickly absorbed in the skin and give you beautifully hydrated skin. Not only that, it has niacinamide, it has vitamin C and E, which helps in treating the dark spots and the pigmentation, of course, and you are gonna have beautiful skin. Also make sure of one thing, I use it in the morning and in the night as well. So whenever you use a vitamin C serum on the face, follow it up with the sunscreen. Also, the skincare does not have any harmful chemicals, parabens, no mineral oil or anything which might harm your skin. The brand is cruelty free, so I recommend you all to at least try out this serum because I believe that this is the best vitamin C serum that I have used yet. I love the consistency, I love the packaging, and I love the fact that it has vitamin C, E and niacinamide, and believe me, after using it for a week you will be able to see your skin becoming better. And after that, we are going to be following it up with a moisturizer. So guys, once I get done with the serum, I use Dot & Key vitamin C plus E super bright moisturizer. Now it is very hydrating on the skin. It helps in giving you the required moisturization. Now it will also help in treating the dark spots and the pigmentation that you have on the face. It's a very lightweight texture which gets quickly absorbed in your skin, and it is definitely gonna boost the collagen production, giving you youthful, glowing and bright skin. It has 3 types of vitamin C present in it, which helps in giving you glowing skin. It helps in fading away the dark spots and the pigmentation that you have on the skin, and you will be able to see some significant difference in your skin tone just using it for a week. Now again, I told you guys, the brand is completely safe to use. It's cruelty free, no harmful chemicals, parabens or silicone. So yes, you do not have to think twice before going for this one. And look at the packaging, it's very aesthetic, and I'm someone who try to avoid the skincare which comes in the plastic bottle. This one is a glass bottle, guys. I absolutely love the brand, and please make sure that you give it a try if you're someone who is suffering from dullness, darkness, uneven skin tone or pigmentation, because it has vitamin E, it has vitamin C, and it also has blood orange silica, which helps in making your skin brighter and glowing every day. Last but not the least, guys, I follow it up with Dot & Key vitamin C plus E super bright sunscreen. Now this one has SPF 50. Now why I love this one is because it does not leave any white cast on the skin. Again, it has 3 types of vitamin C, which is gonna give you that required glow. It has an active vitamin D receptor, which helps in giving the better absorption of vitamin D on the skin. This one also consists of blood orange, which helps in re-energizing the skin and also helps in making it brighter. Again, it has those amazing properties of vitamin C and vitamin E, which helps in giving you beautiful, glowing and radiant skin. And the reason why I absolutely love this sunscreen is not only it helps in providing you protection against harmful UVA, UVB and even the blue light, but it also helps in making your skin glow and will work on your dullness and the dark spots as well. So it does not leave any white cast. It's non-sticky, guys, and it is going to be quickly absorbing in your skin, doesn't leave any kind of residue. So that is the reason I love this one a lot. And SPF 50 is anyways going to be great for you all. So I'll tell you how I use it. So once the moisturizer get completely absorbed in skin, I take a bit on my fingertips, or you can take it on the back of your hand, apply it all over your face and also your neck, and leave it like that. You will see this one absorbing in your skin super quickly and give you beautiful and radiant skin. So this is the vitamin C and E skincare routine which I've been following it for a while. I love this brand, guys. I am in love with all of these products. I have been using them from quite some time now. I was really impressed with the results, and that is the reason I am sharing it with you all now. So yes, also the coupon code is given on the screen. If you use it, you're gonna get extra discount. The link of the product is gonna be in the description box below. Make sure that you check it out. I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you all so much.